Do you ever need to scan a document but don't have a scanner? Good news! Your phone can do it for free, and it's easier than you think. In this video I'll show you how to turn any smartphone into a fast, high-quality scanner using only free apps and built-in features. First, choose an app. If you have an Android phone, try Google Drive. It has a built-in scanner. On iPhone, use the Notes app or the free Adobe Scan app for more advanced options. All of these let you scan without paying a penny. Start by placing your document on a flat, well-lit surface. Avoid harsh shadows. Natural light near a window works great. Open the app and find the camera or scan option. For Google Drive, tap the plus, then scan. For Notes on iPhone, create a new note, tap the camera icon, and choose Scan Documents. Point your camera at the page. Most apps auto-detect the edges and capture the document automatically. If the app doesn't, use the shutter button and then crop the corners manually. Make sure text is sharp. If it's blurry, move the camera a little closer and retake the shot. Next, adjust enhancements. Apps usually offer auto crop, perspective correction, and color filters like black and white or document. Pick the one that makes the text easiest to read. You can reorder pages, rotate them, and delete extra shots, perfect for multi-page files. When you're happy, save the scan as a PDF or image. Most apps let you rename the file and choose where to save it, to your phone, Google Drive, or iCloud. Want to share? Tap Share and send via email, WhatsApp, or upload to cloud storage. Pro tip: enable OCR, text recognition, if the app supports it. That turns scans into searchable, editable text. Adobe Scan and Google Drive's OCR work surprisingly well for short documents and receipts. So next time you need to scan a contract, receipt, or homework, skip the bulky scanner. Your phone is already ready. Try it now and simplify your life, fast, free, and paperless. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.